From the inventors of fun and play comes the world's first toy sat-nav steering wheel. Taking play out on the road with you, the sat-nav steering wheel interacts with the wheel, with commands such as turn left and speed up to prompt your child. Guaranteed to be a huge hit with both boys and girls, your child will get positive or negative response depending on their actions, keeping little minds active in the car or at home. Your little ones will feel king of the road with the realistic sounds, including horn, revving engine, gear changing and braking, also including flashing indicators. Hours of educational play as your child learns their left and right and responds to commands and noises. Suitable for children aged 3+ and requiring 3 AA batteries, the sat-nav steering wheel from Kasdon will keep your child busy on the road or at home.